I want to talk to you about log, power, and root. How do they connect? Because I know sometimes it can get very confusing to us. So let's look at an example. It all starts with multiplication. It all started with the fact, let's say 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Therefore, okay, if it is 3 of them, that's fine. But what about if it was 100 of them? That would be a lot of writing. So somebody smart came up with idea and said, okay, how about we going to write it that way? So 4 to the power of 3, that means 4 multiplied by itself 3 times, and we know that is 64. Now, that gives us 3 different elements. So we have 4 is base. Then we have 3 is my power. And then we have 64. It's an outcome of multiplication, which gives me product. Okay, so now I have those 3 items identified. Basically here, I'm saying, okay, what is the product of these? So that's what we are looking for. We are saying, what is the product? Now, how about if I am looking for the base? If I am looking for 4. So we know that if we were looking for 4, we will say 4 will equal cubic root out of 64. So again, let's put our words into it. So that means that base will equal power, and then that will give me the number of the root, and then I put the product. Now, what about the log? Well, we've looked at the product, we've looked at the base, but how about power? If I am looking for the power, and that's when the log comes in. So in this situation here, we will have log of the base 4 and the product 64 will give me 3. And I just want to show you on calculator how that use is this here. Oops, that's too many. So that's where we put our base here. So it is 4 and then product in brackets 64, and that is giving me answer 3. Basically, I'm asking a question. To what power do I have to take the base in order to get the product of 64? So that's how they are connected. So let's just write the last one. So the log, we put the base of the product, and that will give me power. So that's how they are connected. Now, when are we going to see a lot of that? For example, in financial maths, we're going to see quite a lot of that when we have to consider power of 12 and power of 52. But that is at a different video that has to do with financial maths. Hopefully, that helps you to see the connection between the base, the power, and the log and the root, between all of those elements.